Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can schedule your meetings on Zoom Workplace. So go to schedule here, enter the topic. For instance, I'll type in English lesson. Then go to date and time of the lesson, for instance, on Monday at, let's say, around 9:30 a.m. to 11. I don't know. I've also selected the time here. You can also select the time zone here, and you're going to enter the attendees, and you can also add in a password for it. Then for video host on and then off. I will actually make it off first, and then I'll enable it later. Then you're going to select the calendar. There's some advanced options here. Then you're just going to press save. Make sure you've added your attendees. I'm not going to actually save it though, but that's how you can schedule meetings on Zoom. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.